Hey friends, it's February when I'm filming this and time for a Valentine spread. So let's share some love on our calendars. Stick around. Welcome to my channel. This is Angie from The Road to Simple, and if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. And those of you that plan with me often, great to be with you as always. So it's always fun to do a holiday spread, and Valentine's Day is going to be extra fun. I've got some cute washi tapes here, some lips for kisses. Will you be mine? I think I might use one or two of those. And then for this spread, I'm going to use my Agenda 52 seasonal foiled. And there's 2 pages here of Valentine stickers that I think are really cute. These 2. So I think I'll pull from both pages, and then I'm also going to use my Colorful Boxes rainbow book from Happy Planner. So I'm trying to decide. I had 2 different ideas. One idea was just to kind of do a big swoosh of stickers in a line and then just kind of put some boxes around that. But if I did that swoosh, then I wouldn't really be able to use the washi tapes because I can't do them in curvy lines. And I really think these lips are cute. And especially here we've got lipstick and hugs and kisses, and I could do a division with this tape. At the moment I have this Happy Planner layout that has the gray area at the top and is lined all the way down. So it's a little bit different than most Happy Planner pages, but it's what I got, so it's what I'm going to use. Let me just line it up on that line. I could alternate and do one row of this at the top and then one at the bottom. Then I could do another one down here. And then I could put these in between. How about we do it about right here? These lips are cute. Don't you think? You could even just cut apart lots of little pieces of lips to put around from this tape if you wanted to. I'm just going to sit it there for now. Now, do I want to put this one in as well? I think it's cute too, but will it be too much? Let's see how it looks. I could do this. I really don't know what I'm doing, kids. I'm just starting to see what might be a possibility. So let's just try this and see what it looks like. I don't have any birthdays. I don't have any appointments, just Valentine's Day. I'm just gonna jump in, see what things look like. Let's get some of our little lips in here to go with our tape. I could do a stack like this and then a stack like this. This one page has a little bit more blue on it, and this one doesn't. So I'm not sure I want to use that blue. I love this little couch. All right, let me think about my boxes first. I'm gonna try to stick to these pink colors. This is something that I don't normally do, is to do something kind of like this in the middle. So because this is too long, I'm gonna cut this in half. gotta stand up to see what I'm doing here. How you make things fit when they don't fit, straight out of the book. I could use this and use a sticker to cover up the slanted area. So maybe I'll do, I just don't know what I'm doing, y'all. Surprise, surprise. This happens a lot. Now let me just find something to put there. Something like this. Love the lipstick. Let's put it right here. I want to do a box and set that little couch on top of it. Where did that cute little couch go? I just think this little thing is so cute. Let's just put it right here. Now I'm seeing like this cascading down this way and this one going up this way. So what could I put here? Three priorities for the week. These are kind of different. I could use to do, remember, something like that across these, this gray area. Let's see what this looks like. Always working around this gray area, trying to find a way to kind of, not necessarily camouflage it, but use the area. Okay, I'm just going to use my micron to write in my headings, my home focus. A certain area of the house that I'm going to pay a little more attention to this week. And I'm going to put self-care. I'm going to do a box for simplify, for something that I'm going to declutter or simplify an area. This is just going to be to-dos here. Actually, I think I'm going to write it up here. To-do. I can fill that in. This is going to be my road to simple. So in this case, I'm just going to put RTS. Shopping. This is going to be my gratitude list. Since this is for Valentine's Day, I think I will change my heading to just say things I love, which can be things that I'm grateful for. These I'm going to leave blank. These will be my top priorities for the week. So I think I will write in top 3. I also like to put a block in here for family. There's different people that I need to check in with. Sometimes I get so busy that I forget to do that, and that's not good. Should be at the top of my to-do list, right? Let's just put remember here. And then I'm going to take my pink marker and I'm going to just put some bullet points in here on every other line. There's a lot of stuff to do, isn't it? Too much. But I love doing things for my Road to Simple channel, so that's all good. And I can use that too if I want. Now, something I was just thinking about is drawing boxes in here to break up that gray. I think I will do that. Let me get a piece of scrap paper. I could either just do a regular box like this, or I could do kind of like a hashtag box like that. I think I want to just do this. I'm going to be brave here and just draw a box inside this box just to break up that gray. Yeah, I like that. Always get nervous when I draw boxes. They don't have to be perfect. They really don't, but I'm always afraid I'm gonna do something real crooked. Yeah, I like that better. If I wanted to draw a box here, I could, but I really don't think I will. Since I drew boxes on this side, now I feel like I need something over here. Tell you what, let me just draw one here to finish this area out. And there might be like one special thing on my Road to Simple that I could put in this box. Just to tie that in a little bit. All right, what do you think? I think we might be good. I know there's a reflection on the foil stickers. So I'll hold it up like this so you can see it a little better. I need something right here. That's driving me a little bit crazy. So let me find something for that. And then I think I will call it done. This will work real good right here though. There, that's what I needed. I think I'm gonna call this one done. So thanks so much for those of you that have hung around to the very end to see how long it takes me to think and piddle and decide what to do. And hey, leave me a thumbs up, especially if you're someone who struggles with decisions the same way I do when it comes to planning. I really think about it a little bit too long sometimes, but I love doing it, so that's okay. I want to encourage you to make sure you put something on your plan for self-care. Remember that you are important too. You've got lots of to-dos on your list, I'm sure, but one of those to-dos needs to be to take care of you. And I do encourage you to do some simplifying around your home. Simplifying can also be getting rid of mental clutter, which kind of goes hand in hand with your self-care. Do something nice for yourself and take a break and let your mind enjoy some quiet time or whatever type of activity is relaxing and recharging for you. So make sure to give yourself some love this Valentine's Day. And I certainly love you guys for sticking with me and checking in every week to see what I'm up to. I really love you guys. So thank you so much. So until I see you next time, I'm going to invite you to watch this playlist right here for more ideas on fun things to do in your calendar. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, I would love, love, love it if you do that. Just click on my picture here and subscribe, and we'll get back together real soon. So keep it simple, guys. See you next time. Bye-bye.